Hi, to customize S Pen shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, first thing first, we would need to open Settings and here scroll on the left side to find the tab Advanced Features. Now, from the right side, select your S Pen and here you can check its status, ear actions, rear view, S Pen to text, and so on. But to view shortcuts, we would need to go in Ear Command. And first thing we can choose is menu style. Standard is a bigger option and compact is smaller. The difference is displayed right here on the screen. And now we can also enable show ear command icon, which will look like that. So this is basically a floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen like this. And we can enable open ear command with pen button. And now let's customize shortcuts. For that, I'm gonna select it. And on top, you can see included features in your current shortcuts. If you would like to add more, for example, you wanna have quick access to camera, you would need to tap on it and it would be added to your shortcuts. But notice that there is a limitation in numbers of shortcuts, so we can fit here only 10 features. Be aware of that. And if you would like to remove some of the features, you need to tap this minus like this and the camera would be gone. So I suggest you to add here the skull features, write on calendar, smart select, sketch to image, screen write, and we can add, for example, something like Google Assistant, or let's add camera as we did before and add Google Assistant and maybe calculator. Now to save the changes, it is enough to simply go back using this arrow. And after that, our shortcuts we can find if we tap on this ear command button. So here you'll see the list of your shortcuts. And you can easily open any app from here if you just tap on it like this. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna open Write on Calendar, for example. And now I can make notes on my calendar, zoom in to take even more precise notes, and just save those changes like that. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.